full breadth of the luxurious new Range Rover family is now available to order for the first time. Land Rover has confirmed prices for the advanced extended range plug-in hybrid models and the exclusive Range Rover SV, while revealing performance figures for the plug-in electric powertrain are even stronger than originally estimated. The P440e extended range plug-in hybrid electric vehicles PHEVs offers exceptional efficiency, producing CO2 emissions as low as 18 grams per kilometer, and providing up to 113 kilometers 70 miles of EV range, exceeding initial expectations and offering customers even greater breadth of capability. At its reveal last year, Land Rover suggested an EV range of 100 kilometers 62 miles and CO2 emissions below 30 grams per kilometer would be attainable. Alongside the extended range plug-in hybrid models, which blend near-silent EV-only driving with effortless performance across the P510e and P440e powertrain, new Range Rover is also available with a choice of efficient mild hybrid 6-cylinder petrol and diesel, plus an all-new V8. Customers also benefit from the choice of 4, 5, and 7-seat interiors across standard and long wheelbase body design. A pure electric Range Rover, the first all-electric Land Rover, will join the lineup in 2024. New 2023 Range Rover HSE P440e SWB is available in C, HSE and autobiography models, with an exclusive first edition available during the first year of production. Both standard SWB and long wheelbase LWB body designs are available with 5 seats, while the new Range Rover LWB model offers enhanced comfort for rear seat occupants. If you liked the video, please subscribe the channel and thanks for watching.